One of the most pressing stories today is the alarming drop in Delhi's air quality during Deepavali. Pollution levels soared, with 31 out of 38 monitoring stations reporting very poor air quality and 3 stations reaching the severe category. The overall air quality index AQI hovered around 334 at noon, indicating hazardous conditions for residents. Experts warn that the situation may worsen in the coming days, raising concerns about public health and the earth. International relations took center stage as U.S. President Donald Trump issued a stern warning to India regarding its oil imports from Russia. Trump stated that India would face massive tariffs if it continued purchasing Russian oil, emphasizing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had assured him of a halt in such transactions. This development underscores the complex dynamics of global energy trade and the diplomatic pressures countries face in balancing their economic interests with Indian politics. The Rashtriya Janata Dal (RJD) released its list of 143 candidates for the upcoming Bihar Assembly election, including 24 women and 16 Muslim candidates. This announcement came just before the deadline for filing nominations for the final phase. The move dispelled rumors of a potential conflict with the Congress over certain seats, reflecting the intricate negotiations and alliances that characterize Indian electoral politics. The inclusion of dramatic rescue unfolded off the coast of Yemen, where 10 Indian crew members were saved from a burning LPG tanker, the MV Falcon, after an explosion left the vessel adrift. The crew was safely handed over to the Djibouti Coast Guard, averting a potential tragedy. The incident highlights the risks faced by maritime workers and the importance of international cooperation in ensuring safety at sea. Such events remind us of the unpredictable challenges in global shipping. Technology users worldwide experienced disruption as Amazon Web Services (OWS) suffered a global outage. The incident affected connectivity for numerous companies and led to downtime for popular websites and apps, including Fortnite and Snapchat. This event underscores the critical role cloud services play in our digital lives and the widespread impact when such infrastructure faces technical issues, as businesses and individuals increasingly rely on cloud computing, ensuring reliability. Congress Party released an additional list of 6 candidates for the Bihar Assembly election, bringing their total to 7 announced names. This update comes amid ongoing seat-sharing negotiations with the RJD, as the two main alliance partners strive to finalize their electoral strategy. The late-night announcement reflects the high-stakes nature of political alliances in India, where last-minute decisions and strategic adjustments can significantly influence the outcome of election. Surprising turn, Jharkhand's ruling party, JMM, announced it would not contest the Bihar Assembly election. The party cited a political conspiracy by its ally, the RJD and Congress, which allegedly deprived it of a fair share of seats within the Mahagathbandhan alliance. This development exposes the underlying tension and strategic maneuvering that often occur behind the scenes in coalition politics, highlighting the challenges of maintaining unity among diverse political partners. Daring jewelry heist at Paris Louvre Museum has sparked national outrage in France. Thieves used a crane to break into the museum, stealing priceless objects from the French crown jewels collection before escaping on motorbikes. The incident has been described by officials as a national humiliation, raising questions about security at one of the world's most famous cultural institutions. The robbery not only shocked the nation, but also drew international attention to the vulnerability. The diplomatic front, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed his willingness to join Russian President Vladimir Putin and US President Donald Trump at a summit in Budapest if invited. The proposed meeting aims to broker peace and potentially end the ongoing war triggered by Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine. This development signals a possible opening for dialogue and negotiation, offering a glimmer of hope for conflict resolution in a region that has seen. Today's news cycle has been packed with significant developments, from environmental crises and political maneuvering to international diplomacy and dramatic incidents. These stories reflect the complexity of our world, where local events can have global repercussions, and where the actions of leaders, institutions, and ordinary people shape the course of history. As we wrap up, it's clear that staying informed is more important than ever, helping us understand the challenges and opportunities